Thank you for coming sa birthday ni Margaret. Malaking pagpapasalamat ko. Naging special sila sa buhay. Naging special ka sa buhay niyo sa pagpuntan.
Si Marga, masasabi kong pinanganak kong medyo mahirap kasi matagal ko siyang na-labor bago siya nalabas. Hindi ko alam na magiging girl siya. Ang alam ko kasi is lalaki. So thankful ako na yung last na pinanganak ko is babae, na maganda at mabait, na matalino, na laging inuuna yung pagtupad niya sa pagsamba, ganoon din po sa pag-aaral. Thankful ako na nagkaroon ako ng anak na mabait. At saka grateful ako na lagi siyang may honor sa school. Yun po.
And Roque Marikina, please welcome your host, Mr. Christian Ibay Borde. Ang kasiyahan ay tunay na pagmamahalan, ay nararamdaman, lalo na kung nagsasayawan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, today is your day. Dapat mag-enjoy ka today with the music and dancing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to present to you our birthday song at the North African Miss Monica Rally.
Hi Marga, happy birthday. Always remember that I'm here for you and I'll always be available for you. Happy birthday, enjoy your day and have a wonderful future ahead.
Birthday po Ate Marga. I hope you enjoy your day po ngayon and good luck po sa magiging journey niyo po.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Garrett. I wish you all the best. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay mo. Ang bilis ng panahon, no? Dati naglalaro lang tayo. Tapos ngayon, 18 ka na. Ayun lang. Thank you po.
But it might just have been you passing by unbeknownst to me. Life is emotionally abusive and time can't stop me quite like you did. And my flight was awful. Thanks for asking. I'm unglued thanks to you. And it's like snow at the beach, weird but fucking beautiful. snow on the beach. Like snow on the beach. Like snow on the beach.
Happy birthday, 18th birthday mo. Sana mag-aaral ka mabuti. And sana maging maswerte ka dun sa mga aanay mo landas sa karir mo. Yan lang.
Dallas Green, I've never seen someone lit from within. Blurring out my periphery, my smile is like I want to know. I always dream. You want to give me what I want you.
Not many people are honestly say I want to, but there's nothing I cannot say with you. For 17th time, I'll say it's stupid and you'll catch me crying, but not making out on a boat in the rain or in a house like you do. There's nothing like you're nothing with you. Ano masabi na sa'yo na sana pagbuti mo yung pag-aaral mo. Kuha-kuha mo yung sarili. Thank you so much, Johnny Valentino. Tumating na next.
Marami na ako message sa kanya bago pala ako pumunta rito. Wish ko sa pag-aaral walang judgment. Tayo na pala sa akin. Thank you sa pagiging mabait ka na. Tsaka laging priority ako sa ama, lagi sa pagpapal. Tsaka yun, yung pinababayaan lagi ang pag-aaral ako. Maraming salamat sa pagiging mabuting anak at matalino. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sana hindi ako magiging pag-aaral.
Thank you so much. Ito yung 10,000 na to. Presyo lang po ako. 10,000 na to. Isa. Sana makatulong sa'yo, pero sa akin yung kalahati dito. Pagputihin mo yung pag-aaral mo, alam ko naman masipag ka, matalino ka kasi ninanong mo sa akin yan. Basta lahat ng pangalan ko, nakasuporta kami nila para sa'yo. Yun lang, happy
Hindi ako pa sa pag-aaral mo, nakikita naman sa akin dito yung buhay mo. Tsaka lagi mo iisipin na lang yun naman. Support lang kami sa'yo. Tsaka sana lahat ng pangalan mo mag-uman. Maging proud sila. Happy birthday!
Like snow on the beach.
Wala na bang ilalakas? And the last ceremony.
We're all just merely passing through, doing what we can do in a lifetime. We have more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make in a lifetime. As for me, there's only one dream, and that's to love you, my love, with a love to last a lifetime. We're fools, we sometimes do crazy things, and our hearts will take wings like a sparrow.
for the